everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be doing Coraline-inspired nails. So this nail will have the key to the secret door on it, and I'm just starting with a base color of yellow. I decided to make the key 3D, so I'm using builder gel to make the shape of the key. And now that I have the shape down, I'm using black gel polish to cover the key. Here I'm just going in with a little bit of white gel polish to add some highlights. For the next nail, I'll be painting the Coraline doll, so I'm just starting with a base of nude gel polish. And for the doll, I'm just starting out with the outline of the hair. And now I'm filling in the face with a light peach gel polish. Next, I'm coloring in the hair with a shimmery blue gel polish. So now I'm going in with a dotting tool to add the button eyes, and then using a smaller dotting tool, I'm adding the holes of the buttons. Now I'll be adding the smaller facial features like her eyebrows, mouth, nose, and some freckles. So the next nail is probably my favorite. It's the iconic tunnel behind the secret door. So I'm just using that same shimmery blue gel as the base, and then I'm going in with builder gel and making a 3D spiral on the nail. To make the tunnel look even more three-dimensional, I'm using a dark blue, light blue, and purple chrome powder over the builder gel spiral. So the next nail is inspired by the circus scene, and the base of this nail is a silver cat eye gel that I'll cover with a blue jelly polish. And now I'll just be adding some yellow stars and dots. And for the last nail, we'll be doing some 3D buttons. So I'm just starting with a base color of yellow. And now I'm just using some solid gel to make a ball that I'll press flat to make the buttons. And now I'm just going in with a black polish to cover the buttons. And here I'm just going in and adding the little details like the holes of the buttons and some highlights. And here is the final look. Coraline is one of my favorite movies, and I am so happy with how these turned out. Let me know what you all think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.